In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and find contacts in Hubspot. Whether you're navigating your vast contact database or just organizing a smaller list, these steps will help you be more efficient in your tasks. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Hubspot homepage. This is your go-to hub for all things related to your business tools and software. Once on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your credentials and access your Hubspot account. Make sure you've got your login details handy for a smooth start. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the central point from where you can navigate to various tools and features offered by HubSpot. Here, look for the CRM option. Click on CRM. This stands for Customer Relationship Management, a crucial system for managing your interactions with current and potential clients. Once you are in the CRM space, it's time to focus on what we came here for, your contacts. The next step is to click on Contacts. This section houses all your entries and is designed to give you a comprehensive view of who you are interacting with in your business dealings. Having accessed your contacts, sometimes the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. That's where filters come in handy. Look for the More button in this section. It's the gateway to advanced tools that allow for a tailored approach in sorting through your contacts. Click on More and you'll see additional options for managing your data. Now we're almost there. Among the extra tools, you'll spot an option called Advanced Filters. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to specify exactly the criteria you want to use to sift through your contacts. You can filter by various fields such as email, company name, contact owner, and much more. Take a moment to explore these options and think about the filters that best match your needs. Using advanced filters will dramatically enhance your efficiency. Whether you are looking for contacts from a specific marketing campaign or trying to follow up with participants from a recent event, this tool helps you quickly zero in on the relevant contacts. And that's it. A straightforward guide to effectively filtering and finding contacts within HubSpot. This feature not only aids in managing your existing clients, but also amplifies the strategic follow-ups with potential ones. Remember, the key to effective management is organization, and with HubSpot's filtering features, you can keep everything in order effortlessly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with colleagues who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your HubSpot experience.